Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will be doing a review of a very powerful zoom lens. It's Hum Lens RH57500. It's specially designed for mobile only. The lens itself is 2.5 feet tall and weight up to 1 kg approximately. The lens can be used for both photography and videography. It can capture a HD quality as the lens is made of high grade quality. Best use of this lens is for wild photography, where you can take the photos of the subject without going near to them. Before starting the lens test, I would like to thank Mr. Ansuman Mahapatra and Mr. Pritish Shinde for helping me to get this lens. Now let us see how powerful is the lens. I am capturing this video with my mobile and I am trying to show you a crane which is located at this point. You must be able to see that tiny crane. Now, using the lens, you can see the difference. It will blow your mind. Now, you are able to see the crane clearly. I have zoomed from my phone with the lens attached, and now you are able to see the name of the machine itself. Now I would like to show you one more crane which is located in that building. That building is approximately 2 kilometers from my place. And it's really hard to see with the naked eye. And now I have attached the zoom lens and you can see the results. I was really annoyed to see that this lens can go so far. Here I have zoomed in my mobile again and you can see the difference. Now capturing the nearby objects, and you can spot a building which is hardly 500 meters from my building. You can see that some people are working over there, but you are unable to see the faces. Now let us attach the lens and you can see the results. You can see the faces of the person working in that building. Even the quality output is premium. Now let us zoom more from my mobile camera. I hope you must have liked this lens very much and also my video. If you have liked my video, please do subscribe my channel. Also share with your friends. Thank you.